So the beauty of fingertip is defined by shape, volume, size, contour, nail, and sensation. Fingertip amputation, especially the distal phalanx amputation, is common in our part, mostly because of bike chain accidents, maybe because of machinery injury and occupational injury, and victims are unfortunately mostly young. Reimplantation definitely gives the best cosmetic and functional result, but at times it doesn't succeed because of crushing, reimplant failures, and improper transport at times. So various reconstructive options are there. GRF is an accepted technique for Allen 2 to 4 amputations. Flap in this technique is used to provide vascularity to the graft, which can be bone, nail in various combinations. Various flaps are thinner, cross finger, groin, chest tube, and partial toe. So ideal reconstruction, when we talk about, should replace like tissue by like. So a few cases. This was a 24 years male, bike chain injury. Part was crushed and non-replantable. So in the X-ray, we could see the bone was completely comminuted. Part of the bone which we could retrieve was fixed with a K-wire. From the lateral aspect of the great toe, the flap was taken. Donor was closed primarily. This was the pulp flap. The nail bed was fixed on the bone. The flap was inset with the edges of the flap fixed to the nail bed, and the anastomosis done. K-wires were removed after 6 weeks, and this we can see the result. It is comparable with good nail growth. Donor was closed primarily. There was slight thinning of the great toe, but we had a problem. Few cases we lost the nail bed to necrosis, which exposed the cortex of the phalanx, and partial loss of the bone was there. Nail was also attenuated. So we modified our flap harvest. First, a bucket handle flap was raised to maintain the nail fold. Then the required nail bed was marked on the nail, and the nail bed was taken with the flap. We can appreciate the bleeding from the edge of the nail bed. The nail bed from the amputated part was fixed in this defect of the toe. We can see here. This was the flap. Same technique was used for as in GRF. So the nail bed, when was placed on the vascular bed of the toe, ensured the good take. Nail bed with the flap ensured good vascular supply and nail growth in the reconstructed finger. And the wrapping of the bone with the vascularized tissue ensured good vascularity to the bone and hence the survival. So these are a few results. We have reconstructed 15 cases by this technique. All the flaps were harvested from the lateral aspect of the great toe. 6 patients, we had to graft the donor area, and the graft was harvested as full thickness graft from the amputated part. There was mild thinning of the great toe. These are few stats. So the results, all the finger patients had glabrous skin. Nail was good in 10 cases. 5 were either attenuated or lost. There was good sensory return. Bony union was good in 10 cases. Rest 5 we had partial or complete loss. Biometrics was possible in all the patients. This was a primary reconstruction. Middle and index finger was amputated. Middle finger could be replanted, but the index finger was crushed, and we had to reconstruct with GRF. Partial loss of the nail bed was there. Middle and index finger were reimplanted, but the index finger replant failed on day 6. It was reconstructed. This was a secondary case wherein the thumb had an incomplete amputation and was managed elsewhere. When he came to us on day 7, it was necrosed. We reconstructed again with the same technique. This is the result and the donor. Here, ring finger was amputated, reconstructed. Trim toe transfer is a good technique for these reconstructions, but the problem lies with the donor. If we compare trim toe transfer with the partial pulp flap, we cannot compare. So in conclusion, there are various options to reconstruct the distal digital amputations. Partial toe flap is a good and reliable technique. Donor side is good with very less morbidity. One point I would like to make, we have in our series seen that the return of sensation is slightly less when we compare to the other fingers. probably, though we coap the nerves. Thank you.